Climate is not changing, it's already changed. Climate change is affecting the lives of millions of people. It's a matter of time before it starts affecting our lives. The timeline to take climate corrective action is represented by the climate clock, this one. As per the climate clock, only 6.5 years are left before our planet heats beyond 1.5 degrees. The ticking climate clock encourages us to take action. The Energy Swaraj Foundation has designed a simple climate clock that everyone can make and install in their buildings. The foundation is organizing the world's largest event on Earth Day, 22nd April, along with Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog, and All India Council for Technical Education. I will be installing this clock in my building, and I encourage each of you to do the same. This will help spread awareness amongst everyone. All schools, colleges, corporates, government offices, and civil society are invited to take part. Register for a world record event at es/pal.org and become a part of climate action now.